Is it possible to recover deleted text messages on my iPhone?
Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss a commonly asked question. Is it possible to recover deleted text messages on my iPhone? The short answer is yes, and we'll be walking you through how to do just that. Please note that the success of recovery can depend on how the messages were deleted and when.
Can I really recover deleted text messages?
Yes, it is indeed possible to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. This is due to the way iOS manages data. When you delete a message, the data isn't immediately erased from your phone storage. Instead, the system marks it as ready to be overwritten by new data. So, if you act quickly, you might be able to recover your deleted messages before they're permanently gone.
Recovering messages from iCloud backup.
The first method we'll discuss is recovering deleted text messages from an iCloud backup. If you have your iPhone set up to automatically back up to iCloud, you may be able to restore a backup from before you deleted the messages. 1. Go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than iCloud greater than Manage Storage Backups to see if there's a recent backup. 2. If there is, you'll need to erase your iPhone by going to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. Please be aware that this will erase everything currently on your phone. 3. Once the phone is erased, you'll reach a screen titled Apps and Data during the setup process. Here, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the backup that contains your deleted messages.
Recovering messages from an iTunes backup.
If you don't use iCloud, you may have a backup on iTunes. You can recover deleted text messages from an iTunes backup as well. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. 2. Click on the iPhone icon, then choose Restore Backup. 3. Select the relevant backup and click Restore.
Using third-party software.
Lastly, if you don't have a relevant backup, there are third-party softwares that can potentially recover deleted messages. Please use this method as a last resort and be aware that the effectiveness can vary greatly. Also, ensure you're using trustworthy software, as some may be scams or malware. So, that's it. We've explored how to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. Remember, it's always best to frequently back up your data to prevent any permanent loss. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.